The watchmaker can now intervene, remove a gear and see what breaks. Activation patching, swap one gear between two clocks. If the output changes, that gear was critical. Causal intervention. Does gear X matter for this prediction? Ablation, remove a gear entirely. If the hour hand stops, the gear was essential. Mean ablation replaces with the average. The watchmaker removes gears systematically. Probing, attach a classifier to a gear's output. Does this gear encode secondary structure? If a linear probe achieves 95% accuracy, yes. The watchmaker's stethoscope. For biology, which attention head in ISM detects active sites. Probe it. Which neurons encode transmembrane segments? SAS. Which circuit predicts variant pathogenicity? Activation patching. Safety understanding enables detecting when the model is wrong, knowing what it can't do. Auditing for biases. FDE. The clock's mechanism is documented. The watchmaker's report is the regulatory submission. The watchmaker opened the clock. Features, superposition, circuits. She can repair it because she understands every gear. Mechanistic interpretability turns a black box into a transparent mechanism.